Prove you're smart.
Which insect has the most painful sting? Bullet ants' sting feels like being shot. Which mammal uses echolocation? Bats map their surroundings with ultrasonic calls. Which plant grows from bulbs and blooms in spring? Tulips sprout from bulbs and signal the arrival of spring. IntelliThink, new videos every day.